Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make these wire wrapped rings that come in the book bundle. All you need is the wire, bead, and a highlighter or object that is similar to your ring size. You're going to position the bead on the wire in the middle. Then you're going to get a highlighter and wrap the ring around it 2 to 3 times. One side is going to go towards the top and then the other side is going to go towards the bottom. You're going to want to wrap them the same number of times so it looks even. Gather the wire underneath the bead and now start wrapping in a counterclockwise motion. Every new wrap will go under the previous one. And you're going to do this 2 to 3 times. The same number of times so that it looks even. Now when you're done wrapping, you'll notice that one wire will be pointing up and the other wire will be pointing down. You're going to coil around the ring, like so. And you're gonna make 3 to 5 coils on each side. And you want them both to have the same number of coils so that it'll look even. Remember, the more coils you have, the smaller the ring will get. Cut out any extra pieces, and if it's pointy or sharp, you can file it down with a nail filer. And here is the final product. Thank you so much for watching.